In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PayPal donate button. This can be a great tool if you're looking to raise funds for a cause, a project, or even just to support your personal endeavors. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to visit the PayPal website. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to the PayPal homepage. Once you're there, look for the option to log in, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Use your PayPal credentials to log into your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might need to verify your identity by receiving a text message, either through WhatsApp or a regular SMS. This step is crucial to ensure the security of your account. Once you're logged into your PayPal account, you'll find yourself on the PayPal homepage, also known as your account summary page. From here, direct yourself towards the settings, which can be found by clicking on the gear icon, usually located at the top of the page. In the settings menu, navigate to the seller tools section. This area of your account is where you can manage various aspects of selling on PayPal. Within the seller tools section, look for an option labeled PayPal buttons. Clicking this option will lead you to a page where you can create different types of PayPal buttons suitable for various purposes. Among these options, you'll see the Make a PayPal button option. Click on it to start creating your donate button. With the button creation interface open, you'll select the donate button. This is specifically tailored for accepting donations, making it ideal for non-profits or personal causes. PayPal provides a streamlined process here, allowing you to customize your button to some extent, choosing options that best fit your needs, whether it's the donation amounts, the currency, or the design of the button itself. After you've made your selections, PayPal will generate a piece of HTML code for you. This code is what makes your donate button work. You can now embed this code into your website, blog, or any web page where you want to collect donations. Ensure that the site where you embed the button supports HTML code. And that's it, you've now successfully created a PayPal donate button, providing an easy and secure way for people to support your cause. Remember that the effectiveness of online donation tools is maximized when you share your cause actively, so consider promoting your new button through social media, email newsletters, or directly on your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your own PayPal donate button.